Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 10th circles exercise 10.4 question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. Three boys Ankur, Syed and David are sitting at equal distance on its boundary and each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Now this is a circle and three boys Ankur, Syed and David. The positions are A, S and D. I have taken the position as A, S and D of three boys. They are sitting like this and at equal distance. If they are sitting at equal distance, that means this is a equilateral triangle. Now they are having toy phone in their hands and they are talking to each other. You have to find the length of the string. That means this is one string, this is other, and this is the third string. Radius of the circle is 20 meter. We have to find the distance between them. That is, we have to find the length of side of this equilateral triangle. So let me take the length as 2a. I am taking this length as 2a, this length as 2a, and this length is also 2a. Now, if I will draw a perpendicular from A on SD, this perpendicular will pass through center. So, OM is perpendicular to this chord. Now, we know that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So, this was total 2A. It will become A and A. Now, see again. If I will take this triangle, let me take this as a H. This is A and this is 20. This is the radius of the circle. And this will be a right triangle. So a Pythagoras theorem can be applied here. Similarly, ASM. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here also. This is 20 radius of the circle. This is H I have taken. This is A and this is 2A. So we have drawn AM perpendicular to ST. Now this perpendicular passed to the center. So OM is perpendicular to ST. Perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So SM is equal to MD. And we have taken the sides as 2A. So this will be A each. In triangle SOM by Pythagoras theorem, OS square is OM square plus SM square. So this is 20 square is equal to H square plus A square. 400 is H square plus A square. Now A square is 400 minus H square. Let us take this as the first equation. In triangle ASM by Pythagoras theorem, AS square is AM square plus SM square. So AS is 2A. AM is 20 plus H. And SM is A square. So this is 4A square is equal to, now A plus B whole square. This is A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B plus A square. So this is 4A square minus A square is 400 plus H square plus 40H. This is 3A square 400 plus H square plus 40H. Now from here A square is 400 minus H square. So we can put the value here. We can write from 1. I am substituting the value of A square over here. So this will be 1200 minus 3H square is 400 plus H square plus 40H. So when we will solve this, let us solve this. So it will be 4h square plus 40h minus 800 equals to 0. Dividing the equation by 4, we will get. Now to solve this, we will use splitting the middle term. It will be 10 can be written as 10h can be written as 20h minus 10h. 20h minus 10h is 10h and 20 into minus 10 is minus 200. H is common, h plus 20 minus 10 is common, h plus 20. So h plus 20, h minus 10 is equal to 0, h plus 20 is equal to 0, h minus 10 is equal to 0. We have to reject h is equal to minus 20 as h is the distance. So h will be 10. So h is equal to 10 from 1. A square is 400 minus h square. This is 400 minus 100. 10 square is 100. 300. A is square root of 300, which is 10 square root of 3 meter. So 2a is equal to 2 into 10 root 3, which is 20 root of 3 meter. So the distance between the buoys or length of string that we have taken as 2a is equal to 20 root of 3 meter.